Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add stickers to your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the New Project button at the upper side of the screen and go to the plus icon at the lower left corner. Select a video and New at the right side of the screen you can find the emoji option, and here you can find different stickers, for example social media, emojis, animals, for example hearts, and just select one and click that. But first of all, this will be downloading. So if you download it, just click that and you can add to your video. And if you finish, just click to the OK button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.